Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Virgos for the month of November. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of November. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Virgos. Great. Okay. So this is your energy this month. That is Seven of Wands. It makes me feel that you have been going through a rough time in your life. In the recent past, you were working very hard. You have had conflict with people. You were going through a time when maybe it was very hard to keep working as well as convincing people. So it was a difficult time, but I think November is going to bring you a victorious moment. Your hard work is going to get paid off. You are going to get victorious for this. So I'm very happy for you. Alright, moving towards the first week, the cards are Two of Wands reversed, the World, and Ten of Pentacles. So this is showing me that you are not planning, or maybe even though you want to, you're not able to plan for a long term future right now. It could be because you have two different things in life. Maybe your family wants something else and your profession wants something else. So there you are a little confused. So you're getting a feeling of in being unstable in life, and you feel that you are stuck because I feel that your family requirements are there. You need to be with your family, but for that, like for example, I'm just giving a hypothetical example. Maybe you want to be with your family, but for your to nurture your family you want money, right? And for the money you will have to be away from your family. You have to go out, work hard so that you can nurture your family. So in both the cases it is not a win-win situation, because you want to be with your family also and you want to earn also. So in it's a difficult decision, which is basically making you feel little stuck. You don't know where to go from it and what to do about it. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. Alright, so the second week says Temperance, Queen of Cups, and Nine of Pentacles. Oh my god, great Virgo. So it is something which is showing me that you being you will be able to manage things. Maybe first week might have little bit of confusion, but the second week it is going to be all well. You will be able to manage things, your emotional, personal, professional, everything. You will be content. You will do something which is for a longer benefit. You will choose a path which is not giving you an immediate satisfaction or benefit. You are choosing a path which is giving you a long term happiness. So as I gave you just the example right now, like maybe for the your family's happiness, to nurture your family, you might have to go out and work. So I think you will choose the other option, because you know that once you have enough to give your family, you can call your family to be with you, and you can spend good time also. So both things are important. So you have taken a decision. You will be happy about your decisions, and that decision is going to give you a lot of satisfaction, give you a lot of money, give you you will have enough for yourself, and you can also contribute to your family. Moving towards the third week, that is the Judgment reversed, Queen of Swords, and Queen of Pentacles reversed. So I feel here that there was a wish. You really wanted something to happen, and that did not happen. And it is not an immediate wish, it is a very long term wish. Maybe you wanted something from your childhood. Maybe you wanted to get married to somebody. Maybe you wanted a life partner and you had thought that person to be like this. And now that when you are actually in that particular relationship, you might feel that things are not similar as you had thought it to be. So in that particular case, you might feel that your wishes have not come true. You might feel that you have been betrayed. You might feel that this is something basic that I needed, and the universe has not given me that. But you should not worry, because sometimes what we get and what we think we should get are two different things, but what we get is much better than what we think we should get. So you don't have to be worried. But I think because of this kind of energy, you in this week you might be little rude. You will have the power, you will have the energy, but because of the pain you have gone through in your past, you might not open up to people, and people might think that you are just behaving little rude, but there is a reason behind it which other people might not be able to see. So you just have to take care of your words here, because a lot of clarity is going to come. I think some hidden things are going to open up by this week, and you that is going to make you more blunt and open. Moving towards the fourth week, the cards are King of Cups reversed, the Hermit reversed, and Four of Wands reversed. So I think in this particular week also, there could be some emotional disturbances. You might behave in a totally opposite way, like how you are. For example, if you are an introvert, you might behave as a person who's going to speak up, because you have knowledge, you have clarity, you know how things are. Like for example, sometimes what happens is, maybe someone is lying on your face, and you know that the person is lying to you, but you are quiet. I think most of the time Virgos are quiet. They know the other person is lying, but then they don't react, and in their mind they think that this is how I have to behave. Let the person be. If the person wants to lie, let him lie. But in this week, I think you might feel that I have had enough. I think this person needs to see the mirror, what this person is doing, and you might show that person the mirror, and you might come out of your shell and tell them that, see, this is how things are. I know you have been lying, and this is not how things will work. So I think you might have that kind of an attitude by the fourth week, and that might shake your things little bit. But I think this is supposed to happen. The more quiet you will be, it is going to hamper you only. So you have to speak up for yourself, and I think you should. So that is about it, Virgo. Still, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. If you want to go for the daily reading, you can follow us on Instagram, and for the personalized reading also, you can write to us. And that is all. That's about it. So good luck. Bye bye.